What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. So after getting the oil changed in your Santa Fe, you'll want to make sure that you reset the oil change reminder so that you're accurately calculating your next oil change. In order to do this, you'll need the Santa Fe either running or the ignition in the on position. Then we're going to come over here and use the center screen. If you're starting from this screen, we'll just swipe over like that. If you're starting from any other screen, go ahead and hit the home button right here in the upper left hand corner and it'll take you to this screen. Then from here, we're going to click Setup. It's going to take us to this screen and we'll click Vehicle. Once it takes us to the vehicle settings screen, on the left hand side, we're going to scroll down and then click Convenience. Then from here, we'll click Oil Change Reminder. And you can see the oil life percentage right there. This one doesn't need to be reset, but we'll still go through it. So once we're on this screen, we'll click Reset. Then it's just asking, has it been changed? Yes. And then as you can see there, the oil life has been reset back to 100%. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.